Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn how to change your Instagram icon on Android phone in 2020, alright? So just make sure that you have your Instagram application up to date. If you don't, just go and update your Instagram application. After that, just go and click on your Instagram application icon. Now go to the bottom right corner, click on your profile image. And now go to the top right corner, click on these three lines. Go down and click on settings. All you have to do now is take your finger on the screen and scroll down and release. Then you got this secret page, celebrate with us. To celebrate our birthday, this month you can add a home screen shortcut using your favorite icon below. Thanks for being part of our story and using Instagram to share yours. Alright? So now you can see their old Instagram icons from 2011, 2010. You got the original 2010. And you also got the pre-launch Instagram application icon. Alright? You can also choose from one of these. Twilight, Sunrise, Aurora, Pride, Gold, Dark, Light and Very Dark. So let's say I want to use the original from 2010. Just click on the Instagram icon. Then you got this message, add to home screen. Just click on add. Shortcut for Instagram created. So let's go and have a look. And there you have the new Instagram icon. If I click on that, this will open up Instagram. Okay everyone, so this is how you can change your Instagram icon on Android in 2020. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give a thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.